start your OJT? When did you
I started my OJT since January 26, 2026.
what subject do you miss grade 11?
I teach first year college student. The subject is sport and exercise physiology.
So, how was your experience in internship? I mean, how your experience in your internship?
I have a lot of experiences. Of course, I experience on how to teach the college student and how to manage their behavior, on how to level yourself with their behavior.
What teaching strategy do you employ to ensure effective learning outcomes?
The strategy that I need is to be a good model, and especially to your subject is kailangan mo siyang ma-master talaga yung topic na tinuturo mo sa bawat estudyante.
Next question. What professional qualities do you possess that contribute to your effectiveness as a pre-service teacher?
Para magiging effective pre-service teacher is kailangan mong intindihin kung ano yung behavior ng mga kabataan, and also kailangan be a good model sa kanila, be a professional, kailangan magbigay ka ng respeto sa kanila, lahat yung mga magagandang characteristic na mayroon ka, dapat yun yung ipakita mo sa mga estudyante.
Okay. Next question. What assessment did you do to evaluate your students' performance?
Of course, para ma-evaluate mo yung performance ng mga student, for me, ang ginagamit kong evaluation to assess my student is nagpa-oral recitation activity ako, and of course, nagpapa-quiz din ako ng multiple choice.
Okay. Last question. What is your advice on us to be a pre-service teacher like you?
Ang advice ko lang sa mga future pre-service teachers like me na kailangan, just believe in yourself. Do not compare yourself to others dahil mayroon tayong sariling kakayahan. Maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo dahil huwag mong hayaan na bubuhatin ka ng iba. Dapat ikaw yung bubuhat sa kanila. Lagi natin tatandaan na walang makakatulong sa atin kundi ang sarili lang natin.
Thank
you, sir.
That's important, sir. That's it.
Yes, sir.